machine. This is American history, and we will not let her die.
Rising from the rust, higher and higher, she would not die. Iron wheels, steel and fire, she would not die. She would not.
All right, lift it up slowly. Watch the swing, keep it steady. Hold the left side.
This is a major structural failure. It runs the entire length of the boiler. We need to shut it down immediately.
No, you don't understand. The machine is completely down. We need that replacement part delivered today, or we have to shut the whole line down.
Look at the extent of this crack. It's deeper than we thought. The ultrasound confirms it. We'll need to prep the surface and run the initial pass at reduced power. Weld right here. Yes, the penetration looks good, but check the alignment on this side plate. Yeah. It's within tolerance according to the specs.
Look at the gleam on that coat. Perfect finish.
Yeah. Smoother than new. We did good work here. Make sure that coupling is tight on the left side. Applying lubricant to the valve gear now. Heads up, moving the grinder back.
This machine hasn't moved in 40 years. We're bringing it back.
See this coupling here? Needs tightening? Absolutely. But the boiler pressure test went flawlessly. She's magnificent. Look at that finish. An absolutely magnificent restoration, gentlemen. We did it. Incredible work, everyone.